Do you suffer from aches and swelling in your joints? This pain causes discomfort, a feeling of burning or rigidity, and many times can be serious enough to limit movement. Known for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory actions, this tea is used as a natural therapy for many different kinds of pain. Today you will learn how to make a tea with the amazing power of alleviating the symptoms of arthritis and arthrosis, besides also ending knee and joint pains and even fibromyalgia. We are talking about Miconia albicans, a very common plant in the Brazilian Northeast, where it is known as old man's shin. This herb was widely studied for its medicinal and healing properties because of its high analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial powers. Thanks to its compounds, this herb can help a lot with tendinitis, bursitis, torticollis, disc hernia, general inflammations, and many other issues. Do you suffer from any of these problems? Are you enjoying this video? Do you find this subject interesting? Then what about giving the video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends who also suffer from pains? To treat these health issues above, you can drink Miconia albicans tea. Did you know that? Learn how to make the tea and write down the ingredients. 34 ounces water, 15 leaves Miconia albicans. To make it, bring the water to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add the leaves and let it boil for 30 more seconds. Turn off the heat, put a lid over the pan, and let it cool down. After that, drink 2 cups a day, one before your lunch and another one before dinner. You can use the remainder of the tea to apply over the affected area. Some people say you can drink only up to 3 cups a day. To get results naturally, you can drink this tea every day for 30 days. Each person responds differently to this treatment. Some people, depending on the stage of their disease, can get some good results in a short period, around 1 week after starting. But for the effects to continue, you should prolong the treatment.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.